Want this?
Ah, shit.
First add clip and sound you want. Then go to stock videos and add black overlay. Adjust overlay. Adjust overlay when beat drops. Then go to adjust and adjust the clip. Then split the clips.
Check in with me and do your job. Bird is the name, then bullet did the chain. Turn off what I watch, Prezi plain J. Ride with the mob, alhamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Bird is the name,
And delete unwanted clips.
Give me chain, rest in peace of my security. Hermes, think of the village in like
Go to speed and adjust all clips like this. And don't forget to make it smoother.
Chain, rest in peace of my security. Hermes, think of the village in Liberia. Give me chain, rest in peace of my security.
And add black overlay at the end of it. Adjust it. And go to effects and add white flashes effect. Then click on effect, go to adjust and do speed 0. Then check your video matching with sound. Then add shake effect. Adjust it on 0 point to then apply to all clips. Then go to animation and select rock vertical. Adjust it on 0.2 and apply to all clips. Then you go.
Ah, shit.